So I need to pack for my trip. The MSC Seascape inaugural is tomorrow, and I'm taking a train early in the morning to get there and then get on the. I'm so excited to share that with you guys. But anyway, I have to pack. So I said I would share that with you. Hold on. My room is a disaster right now because I just ordered a whole wall shelving unit for this. So it's all literally stacked up like a mess, and that's going to the dry cleaner. And yeah. So we live in a teeny tiny little ranch, and life is very, very cluttered, but we love it that way. So this is a very messy house. I have to go up to get the luggage. Okay, so I have a mess. This is not a carry-on size because I broke my carry-on size last time, but I don't have time to go grab another one, so it's way too big. But it's actually my new favorite size of luggage because then I don't end up packing too much. Right, and as you can see, I have a small obsession with Talbots. Um, Fits me great, so I buy it a lot. But I need to narrow this down to 3 outfits. One to wear on the train tomorrow, one to wear on the way home the next day, and a spare just in case. Plus, I have my formal outfit for the evening, my shoes, and all that. So let's get packing. Okay, so now that I've got everything ready in the suitcase for the most part, I'll tube that later. Hang this sweater back up. Gosh, last time I made the mistake of bringing my rolling briefcase, and that was a disaster. So I am bringing a backpack this time, so that it's so much easier to get on the ship and be able to film. So the GoPro and all my other stuff will go in there. I've got a water bottle, and that will be my thing with me. So we'll check the luggage with clothes, and then everything else I'll get back in the room, and you'll see that when we get to the room tomorrow.